Hello guys, with another video. I just want to cover the couple of the methods to increase the productivity of your tomato plants. The first one is hand pollinating. Look at all of your open flowers. I have an electronic toothbrush. Turn it on and you are going to touch each tomato individually. And then what is going to happen within about 12 or 24 hours is that the flower is going to dry up, going to fall off, and then you are going to get tomato group grow right in its way. And you can also do this if you don't have any electronic toothbrush. This is my oldest toothbrush, and this is expensive, but you can find the cheapest one, maybe $3-4. And let's go ahead and turn on. As you see this, when you turn on, it's alright. Then go ahead, open flowers. This is the open flowers. Go and touch inside a little bit, not too hard, softly. Just let it flowers move a little bit back and forth like this, and you can do the top way too, like this, and other one like right there, like bees coming and touching the flower, like that feeling you have to give to the flower. That's it. Then after, if you don't have the toothbrush, what you do, you can use the finger. You can use your finger on top of the flower. Just you can do it with an open yellow flower. You know, it is ready to pollinate it when it is open and it is yellow. If you do it early nothing will happen. But if it is yellow and open, it is ready to be pollinated, and you can do that whether cherry tomato or like any other tomato plant. Like you tapping the flower like this a couple of times, and tap this one too. Yeah, this way. Yeah, that's why you pollinated the flower. So other things you can do is stress the plant, and it is especially helpful at the end of the season, where really want to plant to put a lot of flowers and lots of fruit. To stress the plant, you stop watering it for about a week and a half. And what you are going to notice it, that is the plant is going to say, oh my gosh, I am dying. I need to reproduce as fast as possible. How does plant is reproduce? It puts a lot of flowers so that it can grow the tomatoes with the seeds. So once that happens, flowers will come out and you are going to pollinate the flowers. Then the tomatoes are going to grow, and by that point you definitely want to resume the regular watering schedule, so that the plant can, pump lots of water into the tomatoes and make beautiful tomatoes. So all this information I am sharing with you guys, just once again, if you have to use your toothbrush like this one, and if you don't have a toothbrush, you use your finger. Also another one tip, this is the one, cotton one, you can go ahead touch with this one the flowers, open flowers like this, shaking the other one too like this. Then you can this way also pollinate it. Alright guys, today we're done. and see you soon with another video. Alright, bye.